Today, we're going to open the Wizarding World Loot Crate bi-monthly subscription box for July 2018. Okay, so as I said, this is a bi-monthly subscription box, and you are able to choose whatever house you're in. So if there's any house-related items that are in here, it is going to be Ravenclaw. And the little sticker that seals the box this month is Pickett the Bowtruckle peeking out of a pocket. So I'm super excited about that. I believe the theme of this crate is magical creatures, I think. So let's go ahead and get into this. Okay, and this is a much bigger box than normal. It's a different size. Ooh, so I don't know if you guys can see, but the lid actually is Newt Scamander's briefcase. So if we flip this inside out, it looks like it's going to look like Newt's briefcase. So that's pretty cool. Okay. Let's see what this is. So it says, warning, hide shiny objects before opening. Oh my god, I hope this is a Niffler. Alright, let's see what it is. Oh my god! Oh, he's so cute. It's a little Niffler piggy bank, and he is ceramic. He is so cute. Put your little money back here. Oh my gosh, he's adorable. I love this. Alright, well, we're off to a really good start because the last couple Loot Crate boxes have just been okay. So I was hoping that this one would be better, and so far this is a great start. He's adorable. Okay. And it looks like we got some cookie cutters. So it's a set of 4. So it looks like there's a Niffler, a Rumpet, Swooping Evil, and a Bowtruckle. So that's cool. And it's the design where the actual name is like used as part of the design. So that's really neat. I'll have to make some cookies so you guys can see how these turn out. Super cute. Okay. Well, after those 2 things, there's not a lot left in this box, it looks like. And, yeah, let me see. So this says, to our brave Gryffindors, clever Ravenclaws, cunning Slytherins, and loyal Hufflepuffs, we truly hope that you enjoy your magical creature items. However, there's one more item missing from this crate that will be on its way to you very soon. There was an unexpected manufacturing delay with the t-shirts, but rest assured we are working diligently to resolve the issue. We will, of course, contact you as soon as we know when they'll be shipping out to you. Please accept our humblest apologies for the inconveniences. If you have any questions or concerns, our friendly customer support team is happy to assist you. Team Loot Crate. So that's kind of disappointing that we're missing an item, and it's the t-shirt. So I guess we'll just have to kind of wait and see what that is. And an update on, I did actually receive my Ravenclaw patch that they didn't put in the last one, like, I don't know, 2.5, 3 weeks after I actually opened that one. So I did eventually get it. It was a very nice patch. However, it did take them a very long time to get it to me. Okay, so we have our pin, and I think we're done with the Horcrux series, so I'm kind of curious to see what this is. Okay. Oh, no, we were not. Okay. Oh, maybe. So this is a Godric Gryffindor enamel pin. So that's really neat. So we got the basilisk with the Gryffindor sword stabbing through. So that's really different. And oh, I think the sword comes out. So you can actually stab the basilisk with the sword of Gryffindor. That's pretty cool. So that's a neat pin. I like that. Okay. And oh, I think there's maybe, yep, there's one more thing in here. So this is a Harry Potter Rubius Hagrid Magical Creatures sticky notes. Okay, so these are all little sticky notes, and it looks like we have Fang and Hedwig and Norbert and Buckbeak. So that's super cute. Okay, I like that a lot. That's really neat. And it looks like that's it. So let's go ahead and go through the pamphlet. Oh, and it shows a picture of the shirt. Okay. So this, of course, was the Magical Creatures case. And the first item, which we are missing, is the shirt. And, okay, that is pretty cool, and I'm guessing it glows in the dark, potentially, because of the way it's looking like on there. Let's see. The perfect attire for an aspiring magizoologist. This enchanted tea depicts the silhouettes of some of the Wizarding World's most well-known magical creatures. We'll see. I'm thinking because of the coloring on that may actually be a glow-in-the-dark shirt. So, guess I'll have to wait and see. So number 2 is the Niffler Coin Bank, the Fantastic Beasts Cookie Cutters, and then the Magical Creature Sticky Notes with Hagrid, and then the Nagini Horcrux pin. So that was the last in the Horcrux series. I guess, I mean, yeah, Godric Gryffindor's sword did kill Nagini, but not that way. I mean, the Basilisk got stabbed with the sword, Nagini got her head cut off. So, okay, I get it. I think they could have maybe done that a little differently, but it is really cool how they did depict that. So this should be the last of the Horcrux pin series then. So, okay, yeah, overall, I mean, it's only 5 items. I wish it was maybe a little bit more, but I love, love, love the Niffler Bank. It's adorable. The cookie cutters are kind of cool. I mean, I'll probably use those, but I kind of find those cookie cutters to be a pain because you can't really frost them because you lose all of the design. So they're definitely going to have to be like a sugar cookie or peanut butter cookie or something that you wouldn't necessarily frost. And I wish the shirt was here because the shirt looks like it's pretty cool. But it is what it is. So, alright, well that's it. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give me the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And we will catch you guys later. Thanks so much.